Okay, children. So next topic, cubes and cube roots. So in this, the first one, cubic numbers. See, children, so already we have discussed in the previous class about square numbers. So what is square numbers? So a number multiplied itself for 2 times the resulting number is called square number. So same like here we are talking about squares, here we are talking about cubic numbers, means 3 times. So a cubic number obtained the number multiplied itself for 3 times. So in the square 2 times, in the cubic numbers 3 times. So that is the difference between square numbers and cubic numbers. So here cubic number, so 3 times we should multiply. So a cubic number obtained the number multiplied, which multiplied itself for 3 times. So example, 1 into 1 into 1, 1. So we can write 1 cube. This is, as you know, cube. So we can say, no, 1 here, 3 is there. 1 power 3 or 1 cube, like. So here 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube, nothing but 8. Here 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube, 27. 4 into 4 into 4, 4 power 3, 64. So these numbers are called what, children? So cubic numbers. So here 3 times we are multiplying itself a number. So same as in the square numbers only. So here also we are having interesting patterns. So in that let us discuss one pattern. Observe carefully. Here 1, we can write 1 cube. Yes, children. So here 1 plus next first 1 odd number, next 3 odd numbers I am taking. 3 plus 5, 8 means 2 cube. Next 7 plus 9 plus 11 means consecutive odd numbers we are adding. So how much? So 27 means 3 cube. Like similarly, we can write 13, 15, yes, next 17, 19. We will get 4 cube. So here 28, 38, 45, 50, 64 means 4 cube. So first I am taking 1 odd number, next I am taking 2 odd numbers, next I am taking 3 odd numbers, next I am taking 4 odd numbers, like. This is one pattern. If you take another one, so we can write like 2 cube minus 1 cube. See children here, right, 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3, that is equal to 7. Means 2 cube 8 we know, 1 cube 1, 7. We are getting same answer, no? Then if you compare this, 1 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, then 1 plus 6, 7. Both we are getting same answer. So means how we are writing 2 cube minus 1 cube is equals to this 1 and last 3 are common. Every time we will get that. This we will change. So here 2 1 we are taking, that's why 2 into 1 I am taking. Then let us see the next 3 cube minus 2 cube. What we will write? 1 common and into 3 also common. Between these two, what numbers we are taking? That 3 2s are. So how much we will get? See, we'll get same answer or not. 3 cube 27, 2 cube is 8. How much? 19. Yes? 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, plus 1, 19. Same children, you can write more steps. So, next. So, this is one more pattern. Then, let us see, then another one. Right, one more example. 1 cube plus 2 cube, that is equal to 1 plus 2 whole cube. Sorry, whole square children. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 9. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square means 9. So here we can write this pattern. 1 cube plus 2 cube is nothing but 1 plus 2 whole square. Here not cube. So now 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. Same 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square. So if you take any numbers as with cubes, then you can take like squares also. Then both answers we will get equal. So this is about the patterns of cubic numbers, children. Then you remember carefully. So here, then after cubic number, what are the cube numbers we'll see. Then cube numbers, some of the numbers I am writing here. Then here also you have to learn up to 50 if possible. Then 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equals to 125. Similarly you write, children, okay? Write up to 50 cube. Okay? So, but here how many cube numbers are there in between 1 to 100? Cube numbers from 1 to 100. Then how many are there, children? So they are, right, 1, 8, 27, 64, right, that much only. So here 1 cube, 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, so 5 cube means 125. So total there are 4 cube numbers from 1 to 100. So remember carefully. Okay children, so here next year we will discuss the next topic in the next class. Okay children.